everybody? It's your boy, Sneak Peeks with Josh, and we're back again with another heater. Those of you guys that are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and tune in. And just know, this sneaker right here is highly anticipated, so tune in. This is a nice one, but sucks that my delivery people always seem to toss my boxes around, things like that. So it's a little damage, but as you guys can see, we do have a nice Jordan box. Me, I normally don't highlight boxes as much, but this one is a different vibe, and we're going to celebrate it a little more, and we're going to talk about this one. This one is more so not a lid. This one has more of a wing silhouette. And as you get into it, you guys have that average, not average, but this one is more detailed. This is more dope. The celebration just overall on that 25th anniversary. But we're not gonna go too much into this box. We are gonna lose it, and we are gonna jump into some heat. Watch this. So, set the release December 12th, 2020, we have the Jordan 11 Jubilee, also known as the 25th celebration of the Jordan 11 silhouette. As you guys can see, we'll get into some details, and we will highlight this beautiful tuxedo vibe. You know, not even gonna say a tuxedo look, but this is more so of a real calm, casual night from my perspective. But we're going to get more into this. So, as you guys can see, we are jumping into this heater, and it's only right we start with that sole. This is not an ice bottom, this is more milk tone, and me, I personally feel this gives me a Jordan 11 IE vibe, as you guys know. And it's definitely clean. It's a fire silhouette. It gives you that nice carbon fiber on the side, and also that nice translucent panel where you can see that white Jumpman underneath. And can't go wrong with a nice gray underbottom. You know, I'm gonna call it an underbottom or undertoe or bottom heel, whatever you call it. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think. But that transition alone from that milk bottom, as you guys can see, to that white, you know, mid panel, mid base layer, and then that transition to that nice fancy glossy patent leather on the toe all the way around. It's a dope shoe. It's a calm one. The way they celebrated this one is fire. It's not gonna be right if I don't acknowledge this Jordan Jumpman here. It does pop out. It's not like your normal silhouette. It's more solid and has more of a, you know, celebration vibe to it, you know, a trophy feeling. And then we go back into that back piece, that back heel tab with the classic 23 and the metallic colorway. By me, I feel it's a fire shoe overall. You guys let me know if you guys will be picking this pair up. It's clean. I feel it is going to be anticipated sneaker because, you know, holidays are coming, and people, you know, you can never end the year wrong with a Jordan 11. He's been doing it for 10 years strong since that bread. Now we all the way down to that 25th celebration. You can never go wrong. As you guys can see, going along the lace lining and the lace holes, as I say, you guys can see that Jordan panel is going upward, but if you look from this insole, it says it going. And if you guys also look closely at the tongue area, they switched the game up differently. I admire it heavy, as much as it's not noticeable, but you have a leather panel in the mesh area on the tongue, followed by that nice Jumpman. Can't really get it too close, but I will highlight it in a clip. But it is a leather panel there that goes right across. I felt it was nice and suitable, and it's just a fire shoe overall. So let me know what you guys think about this one. I felt like, you know, it's calm. This is a calm stamp, but just know we got more cooking up with your boys. Sneak Peek with Josh, and we'll see ya. Peace. Oh!